Welcome to Retail Resource. My name is Lori and this is Mark. Today we are going to show you how to assemble the oval counter mirror with Trumpet base, item 94545. We do recommend that you have 2 people during assembly. First, you're going to take the frame assembly, pull the outer ring from the inner ring. The inner ring is the base that holds the mirror. We're going to take the mirror panels, front and back, make sure they're lined up, and slide them into the inner ring carefully. Your partner will be pulling the inner ring apart so it makes it easier to slide. Okay, once in place, put the outer ring back onto the inner ring, and you just kind of slide one end and then pull the other side apart to slip over the little notches on the sides. So you can see why you need 2 people. Next, you're going to take the Trumpet base, spin it onto the threaded nodule clockwise until snug. All right, perfect. Our mirror is assembled. If you are interested in purchasing the oval counter mirror with Trumpet base, item 94545, please visit retailresource.com. To request a catalog, please call 1-800-762-8186 or submit a request on our website. Thank you for watching.